morning, all of you. And today we will discuss into the unit 2. The topic is project management. So we already know about that. Project management is basically to how to manage the project. Project means any work, any model, any project, any work assigned by your company. So, what is project management? Project management in this slide we will discuss about the meaning of the project, scope and importance of the project, and what kind of role is to perform by the project manager. So, project is basically is defined as a specific or finite set of activities that produce an observable and measurable result under certain preset requirement. Project is temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product or services or result. Temporary means that every project has a definite end, and unique means that the product or service is different from all similar product or services. So that is, project is a unique process consists of a set of coordinated and control activities with start and finish dates undertaken to achieve an objective conforming to a specific requirement, including the constraint of time, cost and resources. Example of project include developing a watershed, creating irrigation facility, developing new variety of crop, developing new breed of an animal, developing agro processing center, construction of farm building, construction of flyover, string of a concentrated feed plant. So what kind of characteristics of project are there? Fixed set of objective. You know very well about your project. What kind of objective are there? The project start when the objective is finalized. The project comes to end as soon as objective is attained. Tenure. Project is never a continuous activity. It has to come to end and its lifespan is fixed. Teamwork. It's need a team to accomplish various activities. Unique. All projects are unique in themselves. No two projects are exactly similar. Life cycle. Like all living organism, project starts slowly. Definition phase, start building up size planning phase, then reaches peak implementation phase before finally getting terminated. Made to order. The customer always decided the objective and informed the constraint like time and cost. Single entity like general project are two responsibilities of a single person entity, but certainly there are many participants in a project who are helping the single entity in the accomplish of the project activities. Multi-skilled staff, you if you have a multi-skilled staff that they are perform lot of work, different work. The staff needed for a project, including the project manager, needs to have a wide range of skills: technical skill, human skill, financial skill, negotiation skill, etc. etc. Subcontracting, like if a project have a big project, then we have to given some part of the project to the another agency. So subcontracting is practically unavoidable in project management. A specialized knowledge or workforce is needed for a very small duration of in a project. It is difficult and costly to employ or retain. Therefore, they are just hired for a small duration or a specific job from the outside agency. Risk and uncertainty. Projects are risky as the activity involved in the project are non-trivial, thus risk is unavoidable. However, risk can be reduced considerably using various forecasting technique and project management and control tool. Project management is a methodological approach to planning and guiding project process from start to finish. It is a method of planning the plan. It start from project definition and end with the goal or objective achievement. Project management is the application of knowledge, skill, tool, and techniques to project activities in order to meet stakeholder needs and expectation from a project. It is the method and discipline used to define goal, plans, and monitor tasks and resources identified and resolve issue and control cost and budget for the specific project. So what are the benefit of project management approaches? The first is project management approach will help in handling complex, costly, and risky assignment by providing interdisciplinary approach in handling the assignments. For example, the R&D organization. Next, project management approach help in the handling assignment in a specific time frame with definite start and completion points. So example, handling customer order by industry involved in production of capital goods. Project management approach provide task orientation to personnel in organization in handling assignment. Organization in IT sector handling software development assignment for the client. So there are the four objectives of project management. First is scope. Scope means what are the expectation from you as a project manager and your team. For example, a civil contractor always have well-defined scope like all civil work including excavation, foundation, concreting, brickwork, plastering of wall walls as per the test drawing which is given by the architect. Performance project is always expected to have a well-defined performance level. If a project unable to adhere to the desired performance of a customer, it is certainly an unsuccessful project. Time successful project is the one which is completed within the time limits perceived during the planning. As the cost is dependent on time management becomes a crucial activity of a project management. Cost, it is dependent on all the above objective mathematically. So it can be written as cost is equals to function of P, T and S. P is the performance, T is the time and S is the scope. Cost in the function of performance, time and the scope. If any of the above increase, if the scope is increased, performance is increased, time increase, it's surely going to increase the cost of the project. What is the importance of the project management? What has led to increased uses of the concept of the project management in recent time? Rapidly changing technology are changing very fast. So all manufacturing as well as the serve organization have to cope up with the technological changes which provide a big scope for project management. High entropy of the system, changes are very fast, so energy level are high. To adapt to the fast changing world, no organization can stick to old things or system. Any modification or modernization leads to the need of the project. Secures life cycle of the project. Product life code is secure to a great extent with innovation taking place at a very rapid rate. Projects are needed for the upgradation of the product. Globalization impact, all producer and services provider in the present would are exposed globally. They need to modify their system of operation to match the global practice, thus creating opportunity of the project. So what are the importance of the project management? So large organization, they face problem of management of huge workspace and work division. So they divide their work in the project and create a team to accomplish the object in the form of project. So this has to help the organization to help develop a method of performance support. Customer focus, increased customer focus has been market trend in recent time. A few years back, cost reduction was a major formula of success of our enterprises. Thus there was more emphasis on standardization. In recent year, customer focus has redirected market toward customization. So it is not purely customization, it is more of combination of standardization and customization. All this had to be application of the project management. So what kind of tool and technique for project management? Project selection technique, brainstorming, cost benefit, risk and sensitive analysis, project execution planning, work breakdown, WBS, project execution plan, PEP, project responsibility matrix, project management manual, project scheduling and coordinating techniques, bar chart, life cycle, line of balance, networking technique, project monitoring and progressing techniques, process measurement techniques, prompt, performance monitoring technique, permit, and updating review and reporting technique, URT. Project cost and productivity control technique, productivity budgeting technique with value engineering and cost and WBS, project communication cleanup, control room and computerized information system. So who is in the project team? Project team members have varied skill set. They may be assigned full or part-time. Team member may be on site, remote site, or in which case project management need to know how to deal with the virtual team. The team would have a mix of people so that all necessary skill, knowledge, understanding are collectively within that team, subject to any further specialized support that is needed. So that is a project team flow. Executive committee, then steering committee, then project director, have a project management, project office. In the project manager, have a different functional team leader, technical team leader. They are the team member. That is a hierarchy of the project team. Project manager is a good project manager, deliver project within the deadline budget set by the client, meeting or even exceeding the expectation of the stakeholder. But what does it take to make a good project manager great? Top 10 qualities of one must have to become a successful project manager. First is leadership. If you project manager is leader and it is clear vision about its objective for a team, sense of foresight help as well by anticipating potential problem. You can have your team ready to solve them the blink of the eye. Task delegation. Being a leader doesn't mean that you need to think about every tiny little of the project. So your team member, you trust them and delegate tasks to them. Of course, you should be able to judge your team member skills and assign the task according to their skills. Communication is not only about transmitting your present to your team, it is also about maximizing the efficiency of the meeting to make decision and the solve problem. People get easily bored during long, unorganized gathering. The same goes for the written communication. Email and reports are the means of communication you use daily, so you need to be able to make most of them. Empathy, as a team leader, you will need to empathetic rather than sympathetic. Sometimes the work of your team member might be affected by the difficulties they experience in their private lives. It is important that your team stay focused on the project and that each member remain productivity even then having personal trouble. Good organization is the key factor of the productive work environment as well as solving problem under pressure. Being well organized help to stay focused on the big picture and to prioritize your own task and responsibility. Competence, being on top of your project, entails a vast amount of industry knowledge. To be effective in that what you do, some knowledge on the financial and legal side of your project will not hurt either. You need to perceived as capable and competent by your mind. It's not about technical expertise. You are there to lead, which means encouraging, challenging, and inspiring the member of your team. Integrity, this word essentially means loyalty and honesty. You should able to gain the trust of your team, at the same time setting the ethical tone of the project and showing that you are also follow the rule you set of others. Project must be profitable, sure, but that doesn't mean you will need to bend your morally to do so. Problem solving, you are the leader of the team, but that doesn't mean you will solve all the problem. You will great project manager work with a team of expert or consultants and use their expertise to tackle problem in most efficient ways. Collaboration is a very crucial part. Every project manager, how important their team is, grabs their dynamic essential if you want your team to work smoothly on your project. When developing your team, keep this in mind. Conflict and disagreement are bound to happen. As a leader, you will need to able to mediate them and make sure all the team members work together on the same goal. Team development is also delivering project within the time and budget limit can be quite stressful. It's your not job not to be crumble under the pressure and make sure none of your team member do. Good leaders know that problem makes up the fabric of the life to be expected, so they will be treat problem as event. They could possibly influence the project in a new way, providing on its feature. So these are the some references are there: project management of the engineering, business innovation entrepreneurship, business entrepreneurship and the management entrepreneurship, Roy Azeeb. They are a textbook of the project management, Gopal Krishna, project management, the managerial process, and so on. There are a lot of references are there, but we have included in 6 references. So in today's topic, we already discussed about what is project, what is project management, characteristics of the project, role of the project management, characteristics of the manager, and so on. Okay, thank you very much.